Hi, Sean.
Hey, welcome to here. It's Wednesday. We're halfway through the work week, so that's always good, unless you're one of those poor souls that have to work on the weekend, and I feel for you.
Oh, yeah. I remember having to work on the weekends. I mean, I still do every now and then, but not the whole weekend. And when I had those work days, it was always my 2 days off. That was my weekend. So welcome back to day 14.
I know it's what 10 days after this, and we're all done. So I mean, it's been great so far.
It has. We're on an even day. So that means you get to go tonight.
Excellent. Okay, so they normally send us a little card, an inspirational message, and let's see what they have for us today. All right, let's see. It says, believe you can, and you're halfway there. That is such a wonderful message, especially in quilting or anything in life. I think that means a lot, that, if you believe you can, that's half the battle there. All right, so let's see which batik we have in day 14. Oh, this looks pretty. This kind of will match what we had yesterday a lot.
Oh.
Kind of got the tropical ferns. It's green, orange. Some sort of animal. Oh, toucans. Okay, if I turned it up the right way.
Yeah, I was going to ask if there was a toucan on there.
Yeah, if I turned it the right way, it would have helped. But yeah, this one is fun. Like I'm really enjoying this week. I mean,
I like that.
Yeah. So yeah, this one is a lot of fun. So I'll show you all one more time, just in case you missed it. There you go. So that's my toucans.
Oh, that's really pretty.
Thank you.
Is there a name on that one?
No, I think I got all the non-selvage edge pieces, but that's okay. So do you want to go ahead and show us what you have?
Yeah. Well, in the meantime, I'm going to make you wait a second. We have a question. Sean and I do. We want to know, do you use white lights to decorate for the holidays, or do you use colored lights? Which one do you use, Sean?
Well, we do mostly colored around the house, but on our Christmas tree, we actually have one of those fancy trees that alternates between the colored and the white. So we have the best of both worlds.
Oh, you do? I love that. I think ours does too, but I normally leave it on white, I think. I don't know. I think it just depends on the day.
Yeah.
So what do y'all use? Do you like, which color do you prefer to have? Let us know. We'd love to hear from you. All right, my turn. This is really pretty. Oh, it even says who it's from. It's from Art Gallery Fabrics. AGF Picturesque.
Well, that's different.
Yeah, I don't have anything like this at all. I don't have any of the colors. So it's like a greenish gray. Super pretty. And then let me show you the selvage. Has anybody used this fabric in their quilts yet? Or the projects?
No, I think it would look very nice, maybe as like a background fabric, or cut into smaller pieces as like not as the prominent color, but more as a background, like in like half square triangles or something. I think it has the potential to do quite a lot of fun stuff. It almost looks like it's not quite Japanese arty type thing, but somewhere in that, I'm kind of getting that vibe from that.
Yeah, I am too. And I'm not quite sure what it is that, I guess it's just the different colors that are in it. They really got some good fabrics for us, didn't they, Sean?
Yes, they did. And if you have any ideas what to do with Martha's fabric for today, definitely let us know, because we'll take whatever help we can get on that one. So the toucans, I think, is going to be a little easier for me to associate with some of the other stuff I've got. But yeah, that one's going to be a little more challenging, but I'm sure the perfect project will come along for you at some point.
That'd be cute on a bag. You said that earlier about last week sometime about one of the fabrics, and that would really look cute on a bag, I think.
Yeah.
or even as the inside fabric.
There you go. That would look really nice as an interior. So yeah, maybe that's what you need to do with it.
Yeah, one of the ladies left me a comment, and she said she thought one of them would be great fussy cutting. So I don't know if that one might be a good one to fussy cut. That would be neat to see what all we can make with that.
Good.
All right. Well, we are done with this evening. John, did you have anything else you wanted to add?
Oh, I think I'm good for today. I'm looking forward to seeing what we have in day 15 tomorrow.
Me too. I'm a little tired tonight. It's been a long day.
Yep.
Long work day. All right. Well, I hope you all have a wonderful evening. And if you're catching us on the replay, we'll see you in the morning. Leave us a comment. We're just enjoying doing this with you. So we will see you next time. Take care. Good night. Bye.